And in other news, the reason for the increased use of illicit drugs in our part of the world is mainly due to emphasis on use of force to combat the supply of the substance.
Chronic and persistent abuse of drugs can be overcome by identifying users as victims who rather need help. At the 5th West African Executive Course on Human Rights and Drug Policy, experts were unanimous in their opinion that using force to combat drugs has not proved successful.
According to former UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon, drug trafficking has moved from a social and criminal problem to a major threat to health and security. Over the years, efforts to control the manufacture and supply of illicit substances such as cocaine, heroin and marijuana have not been without challenges. This is because the dealers have global networks and influential people in society. Under the UN Single Convention on Narcotics Drugs, a law enacted in 1961, drug dealers and users who are caught are given jail sentences with hard labor. According to a research conducted by the School of Law at the University of Ghana, the harsh punishment has not been effective in controlling the drug trade and drug use. A senior law lecturer at the School of Law at the University of Ghana, Dr. Kwejo Appiagyei, says illicit drug use is a health problem and that victims should be given help instead of seen as criminals.
We have collected the evidence over the past 20-30 years. We have realized that the drug war, the people are not winning the drug war. Governments and the state agencies are not winning the drug war. So we have to adopt a different approach. And this approach is to recognize a human rights dimension to the drug war. And so when we adopt a human rights compliant policy, where the drug users, the drug addicts, the drug manufacturers, the drug distributors are seen as human beings, and as human beings they are also entitled to some rights, then it will help change the perspective of the drug users and we'll be able to win them into our fold and adopt a successful campaign.
West Africa is currently seen as a region which is facilitating the cocaine trade with an estimated value of $85 billion, which ends up in Europe and sells at a price 10 times higher on the street.